Model, 68 Plate Renault Trafic Vivaro 1.6 DCI business engine knocking needs repair Euro 6 NoVat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 67,635. MOT, the 14th of November 2025. Engine, 1598 cc R9M DCI 120. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts but runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking, the engine you will need repairing. This was a Cat S damage repaired in 2021. Please see picture of the damage, which was minor front passenger side. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tight.